Great tips and tricks for living with arthritis. It can be hard to live with arthritis. It can be really hard to deal with arthritis on an everyday basis. There are ways that you can alleviate some of the symptoms of arthritis in your daily life. You'll find many tips below which are essential knowledge for the arthritis sufferer. Keep pain-relieving medications and ointments handy, such as on the countertop. If you suffer from a sudden attack, you may not want to have to reach and grab for your pills. In addition, if you have your medications in your purse or in your car, they will be available if you need them while not at home. If you want to minimize the pain of arthritis, avoid being overweight. Having just a few extra pounds on your body adds strain to joints and ligaments. It can increase the pain of arthritis, and keep your symptoms coming back again and again. Losing just 10 pounds can make a big difference, so do it today. Watch out for comorbid condition, especially depression. Arthritis and depression can lock you into a feedback loop. You're tired and in pain, so you can't do the things you love, which makes you more upset. Being upset then leads to symptom flare-ups. If you think you are depressed, speak with your doctor about a referral to a psychiatrist. Make time in your day to do the things you love. Increased stress levels can lead to more arthritis flare-ups. If you find time to do the activities you enjoy, you'll improve your mood and your energy levels. This kind of effect will lead to lasting improvement for your symptoms. That doesn't mean that there aren't a plethora of techniques to make life more livable. The tips you just read are meant to give you coping methods, as well as help you achieve the goals you have in mind. Try a variety of methods for reducing the pain of arthritis and see which ones work for you. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.